Well, hello there. My name is sometimes Heather and I make things. Once upon a time I crocheted this flower necklace. Now I have a bit of yarn left and I want to turn it into a ring. This is Egyptian cotton from Hobby and I'm using a 3mm hook. First thing we do is pick a finger. I choose this one, right index, right. Chain stitches until your starting chain easily goes around the selected finger. Join to work in the round. Single crochet into every stitch and close with a slip stitch. This is our actual ring, the piece that goes around the finger. Make sure it fits. Then chain 5. Close to work that in the round, which means slip stitch into the ring right where the chain parts ways with it. Now, single crochet into the small ring 10 times. Close with a slip stitch again. Then we will form the bases for petals. Chain 4, skip a single crochet and single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat that through the round to create 5 arches. Close with a single crochet. Into the first arch, single crochet, double crochet 4 times and single crochet. Single crochet into the stitch between and repeat that through the round. Close with a single crochet. Now we have 5 petals. You can leave the ring like this, but I want to make another layer of petals. Chain 5 and single crochet into the stitch between petals. Repeat through round. Into the first arch, single crochet, double crochet, triple crochet 3 times, double crochet and single crochet. Single crochet in between petals and repeat through the round. Close with a slip stitch, weave in ends and you have a crochet ring. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Next time, I want to sew a dress the color of Heather's, and after that, I will show you a few things I have knit and crocheted. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all later. Stay safe.